Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you ain't putting an LS and an El Camino on Christmas Eve, where you at? So, all right, so as you can see, we got the engine bay prepped. We are ready to do this. Got the motor up. It's actually just kind of leaning there. Yeah. Show them how loose that is on the ground there. Yep, it's just hanging there. It's hanging like a dingleberry. So I didn't show on the last one, but we did get those slotted and we did check them and they have plenty of clearance. Actually, the bolt's kind of more towards the middle. So we actually have plenty of room back and forth. So it shouldn't have any binding issues. But we're actually getting ready. Just go ahead and swap this thing in there. We'll drop it in, mount it up. Took the intake off just to get a little more clearance on that because we are going to be wrestling with a little bit of clearance issue on how high we can actually lift the motor in there. So hopefully this will work. Otherwise, we'll just, I don't know, maybe just pick it up and throw it in there. Just huck it in. All right. Yeah. Got Popeye over here. We're going to go ahead and throw that in there. So got it ready. Got the intake off. Got a little more clearance there. We have a few more things that need to go on here, but we're still waiting for them to be shipped in. But we are ready to actually throw it in there, see if we can line those up, see if we can get the motor mounts to line up and the bell housing to line up. That way we can get this thing back to rolling in and out. All right, let's get to it. Are you sure?
Where's the bolt head? Okay.
Well, after a lot of fighting and a lot of hassle and a lot of headache, we got it in. This isn't the last time it's going in. We ran into a few issues with the passenger side sitting about 2 inches forward. So we got to figure out if there's a problem with these clamshells or what the issue is. Worst case scenario, we're unbolting those motor mount brackets, and we're going to drop this thing in. We're going to have it exactly where it needs to go, and then we're going to weld them in because I'm not fighting this. So, boy, it does look good though, doesn't it? Well, what do you think? Yeah, good? He doesn't know words. Sorry. So that's where we're going to close this one out today. I think we got a good portion of the way in. Like I said, there's a few more things that's just not sitting in there correctly. But all in all, everything's fitting up pretty good. It's a little bit tight. I do like the headers. They look like they are going to fit. They are going to pass through everything, except for maybe on this side we were hitting the pinch well down here. So we're just going to get a BFG or a BFH and just go to town on it until it fits. Because, you know, if it doesn't fit, we make it fit. You saw the BMW. So other than that, anything else to add?
It's in.
It's in, yeah.
Step one.
Step one. So other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Next time, we're going to try to get this thing in there all the way and just start putting all in the cooling, get the battery connected, get all the wiring connected, throttle connected, and fuel system connected, and then maybe a startup. Maybe a startup. We'll see. We don't know yet.
Our first startup of 2022.
22. All right. Have a good one. See you guys.